Hello aspirants, welcome to Vishnu Academy. Last class class 6 science NCERT electric switch വരെ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ a switch is a single device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. The switches used in lighting of electric bulbs and other devices in homework on the same principle, although their designs are more complex. Next is electric conductors and insulators. Skipping the activities. Some materials allow electric current to pass through them, which is indicated by the glowing bulb. Materials which allow electric current to pass through them are conductors of electricity. Insulators do not allow electric current to pass through them. So, the materials which allow the electric current is conductor, and insulator which do not allow electric current to pass through them. Next is conductors and insulators are equally important. Switches, electric plugs and sockets are made of conductors. On the other hand, rubber and plastics are used for covering electric wires, plug tops, switches and other parts of electrical appliances which people might touch. Your body is a conductor of electricity, therefore be careful when you handle an electrical appliance. Next chapter is fun with magnets. 13th chapter is fun with magnets. In this chapter we can see the summary section because most of the portions are activity. So summary sections describe all the important points which in point of view, exam point of view. The keywords are compass, magnet, magnetite, north pole, south pole. Then magnetite is a natural magnet. Magnet attracts materials like iron, nickel, cobalt. These are called magnetic materials. Materials that are not attracted towards magnet are called non-magnetic. So there are magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are the materials which is in which the magnet attracts the material, that is iron, nickel, cobalt. Those are not attracted towards magnet are non-magnet. A freely suspended magnet always aligns in north-south direction. So we have to note down that the freely suspended magnet always aligns in NS direction, that is north-south direction. Opposite poles of two magnets attract each other, whereas similar poles repel one another. Same signal attracts each other and different signal repel one another. The opposite poles, that is different signs of the magnet, attract each other and the same signs repel one another. Opposite poles of two magnets attract each other and similar poles repel one another. That is north and south attracts each other and north and north repel one another, as well as south and south repel one another. Next is water. 14th chapter is water. We can see just the important points. For that, yes. So that we can see the summary sections. Keywords are clouds, condensation, drought, evaporation, flood, groundwater, hail, ocean, rainwater harvesting, snow, water vapor, water cycle. Water is essential for life. Water vapor gets added to air by evaporation and transpiration. The water vapor in the air condenses to form tiny droplets of water which appears as clouds. Many tiny water droplets come together and fall down as rain, snow, or hail. Rain, hail, and snow replenish water in rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, and soil. The circulation of water between ocean and land is known as the water cycle. Excessive rains may cause floods, while lack of it for long periods may cause droughts. The amount of usable water on earth is limited, so it is needed to be used very carefully. Air around us. Since it is class 6 NCERT, all the important points are given in the summary section. We can see the summary section further because we are lacking our time. There is lack of time too. So we can see the summary section quickly and we can finish the class 6 NCERT science. And we need to start class 7th also. Air is found everywhere. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air in motion is called wind. Air occupies space. Air is present in water and soil. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and few other gases. Some dust particles may also be present in it. Oxygen supports burning and is necessary for living organisms. The envelope of air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere is essential for life on earth. Aquatic animals use dissolved air in water for respiration. Plants and animals depend on each other for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide from air. Because the plants absorb carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen, and we are absorbing the oxygen and releasing the carbon dioxide. Next is 16th lesson. We can see the chapter 16th onward in new video. Since there is some technical issues in uploading the video, we can see the 16th